birds. Ornithology, study of fungi. Mycology, study of insects. Entomology, study of algae. Algology, study of virus. Virology, study of climate. Climatology, study of skull. Craniology, study of dogs. Cynology, study of cats. Pelinology, study of gemstones. Gemology, study of bones. Osteology, study of sun. Heliology, study of horses. Hippology, study of rocks. Lithology, study of clouds. Nephology, study of brain. Edaphology, study of fruit. Pomology, study of moon. Selenology, study of universe. Cosmology, study of volcano. Volcanology, study of cancer. Oncology, study of mountain. Urology, study of feather. Meteorology, study of water. Hydrology, study of earth. Geology, study of heart. Cardiology, study of soil. Pediology, study of language. Biology, study of blood. Hematology. Thank you to all.
Thank you for your enchanting performance, dears.